In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your profile picture on Zoom. If you've decided it's time for a change or just want to remove your current profile photo, follow these simple steps and you'll be picture-free in no time. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once there, type Zoom in the search bar and press enter. You'll see a list of search results related to Zoom. Find the one that usually begins with Zoom Video Communications and click on it. This will take you to the Zoom homepage. Next, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the Sign In button, typically located in the upper right corner of the page, and click it. Enter your login details and access your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to your profile icon, usually found at the top of the page. Click on it, which will bring up a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Settings. Within the settings, navigate to the Profile tab. Here you will see your profile picture. Hover your cursor over the image. You should notice a pencil icon appear, which indicates that the image is editable. Click the pencil icon to proceed. A pop-up window will appear with the option to change your profile picture. Look for the Change link and give it a click. You'll be directed to a menu that includes an option for deletion. Click on Delete to remove your current profile picture. Finally, a confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm your decision. To finalize the removal of your photo, simply click Yes. Congratulations, your profile picture has now been deleted. Remember, once your profile picture is removed, it won't be visible to other Zoom users, so make sure this is what you want before confirming. It's a straightforward process, but sometimes the little steps can be easy to miss. This simple process gives you the flexibility to manage your online presence as you see fit. Whether you want more privacy or you're just giving your profile a new look, removing your photo from Zoom can be done swiftly following these steps. If you followed along and completed each step, you should now see that your profile picture is successfully deleted from your Zoom account. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful guides and tips.